Hello दोस्तों, myself Sunny Arya. I have graduated in BE in Computer Science and Engineering. My decision to join politics was very emotional and based on practical reasons. It started way back in 2013 when there was lot of anger against corruption and incompetence. The incompetent people in politics have led the country in such a dramatic situation that have caused unrest and instability in the country. Then one party came up with lot of promises and increased my expectation for the country that finally the country is going to have a strong and decisive government. That time only, somewhere in my mind, I had decided that I will join politics someday and give my contribution to the nation, or especially I will able to help the people of India to improve their standard of living. But I have never thought that I will join politics so soon. Things that have happened in the last few years have speed up the things. There is so much unrest and instability in the social and economic structure of the society that have convinced me to join the active politics. I am so disturbed with the hatred the humans have developed in India against their own country citizens. Peoples are fighting with their neighbors, friends and family on the basis of caste, color, religion and the place. Believe me guys, I seriously felt these things around my surrounding and in the society. The frustration level is going up day by day. If we didn't do something now, it will be too late and the whole social, economic and federal structure of the country is going to fall apart. There my search begins and I went through the ideology of every party. Here the Aam Aadmi Party comes to my life. I finally see some hope, or you can say light in the darkness of the politics. This political party is purely working on the development of social economic structure of the society, things that I always wanted to work upon like education, healthcare, road infrastructure and most important environment and many more. They are also showing efforts to improve this sector. So I started observing the party activities and the work done by the party in Delhi. I will not say impressed, but you can say it's the first political party I have seen who are trying so hard to bring some positive change. After years of observation, I finally joined this party as a AAP youth wing member and giving my contribution to some change in society. I hope I will be able to achieve my dream about the Republic of India through the political platform provided by Aam Aadmi Party. I am looking forward to work with the Aam Aadmi Party, and if you ever fail to do something for country, believe me, this is the right platform in today's India who can help to bring progressive positive change in society. Thank you.